So it's Tuesday morning. Me and Steady have been starting the mornings here at the beach, which is amazing. It's beautiful here. I could get used to this. Walk on the beach before getting to hard work. I totally kind of forgot to film yesterday, or I was just too busy. It's really hard to do these projects and to have this much work to do and to remember to like stop and film, you know, especially if it's stuff that feels kind of obvious. But we have a couple projects we're going to film today that'll hopefully help some people out. But right now we're just going to enjoy this setting. It's like a fog bank hiding Santa Cruz Island, but sun's peeking up and it's beautiful here. We're going to try to get a bunch of boat work done. We got 2 coats of paint on yesterday. Going to move the jack stands today so that we can sand and paint under those and go from there. So lots of stuff to do today. So we are applying sealant on all of our fittings. These 2 straight barbed ones are our cockpit drain that we oversized in anticipation for big seas coming into the cockpit someday. God damn it. Making a mess. This one's only a 3/4 of an inch. We're using True Blue, which came recommended to us by the boatyard. It says that it's vibration resistant, fast drying, flexible set, industrial grade, which is good. And it says that for pipe diameters up to 1 1/4, apply to male threads only. For larger diameters, apply to male and female threads, which is, these were 1.5 inches. These other ones already did, so I had to apply it to both. But this one, we only have to apply it to the male threads. These straight barb ones are easy, like that big angled one is for the head and it had to be pointing a specific way, so I had to go position it, mark it, and then make sure that it lined up on my registration mark. Otherwise you're in a world of trouble once you get it in there. So this is just creating a gasket inside the threads. Make sure no water gets in.
Or out.
Or out in the head department. Dude. I wanted to do this outside of the boat because we're going to be epoxying these bases down and tightening them up, and I don't want to put any torque pressure while that stuff's kicking off. So I just went ahead and I want to go ahead and get all these done now.
Smart.
And we might install these today. It's trying to rain on us, so next step after this is putting Sikaflex on between all the bases and the hardware.
Right now I'm applying this stuff called Sikaflex to our G10 bases. It's says it's a fast care marine adhesive. Comes in a cock tube. And I put too much on the first one and it like oozed all over the place because they get tightened down, obviously. So I'm trying not to put too much. And then just put it on there. And get my lock washers. And you can see it's already squishing out. But it just cleans up with acetone, so that's good.
Oh yeah, look at that, spreads out, huh?
Yeah, that's why that first one, it was like super.
Better too much than too little.
Yeah. I gotta go buy gloves tonight. We're out of gloves. I don't like doing shit like this without them, but it's all kind of squished out, and also in the back I'm gonna have to clean it up. But it's missing.
4 more to go. 5 more to go. Okay, so we're gonna start the process of installing all of the through holes on the entire boat. Camille's gonna be down here installing the through hole itself. We're gonna start with the bilge out, which is right here. I'm gonna be up top holding the seacock in place and Sikaflexing the seacock from up there. She's gonna Sikaflex the through hole down here. Once we get it all set, then we'll use our wrench and really torque it down. So now it's time to get this party started.
So this has like a groove in here. I'm gonna make sure that I'm totally filling that, and then also making a bead that pops up, so when I put it down it all like squishes out all the way to the side, and then I'll clean it up. But
yeah, it creates a gasket.
Yeah,
that groove's nice, right?
Yeah, it is.
It's cool.
It's pretty.
All right, let's get to it.
Teamwork.
Go back on itself so it gets a little bit deeper. So.
Wait.
Now I have my line drawn to where I want the placement. You can go ahead and start screwing it.
No? Yeah? Wait a sec.
Now will you go keep an eye on that thing and make sure it doesn't move, and I'm going to try to really muscle it. You ready? Ready? All right, I think that's all we can get. Nice. Okay, so that's the deal. Now we clean this off, clean off up top, and let it kick.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. It helps us a lot.
Thanks again to all of our patrons. Your contributions help us get the boat ready for big things.
Until next time.
Bummer.
Give me a kiss. Okay.